Hey YouTube, this is Lucy and I wanted to do a quick review over Fairhaven Health's new product, their BFP pregnancy test. Now, if you don't know a whole lot about terminology when it comes to trying to conceive or pregnancy or any of that stuff, BFP stands for Big Fat Positive. It is such a joy to see in the TTC community. So, Fairhaven has now come out with their own line of pregnancy test. What you're looking at right here is obviously the box, and as you can see, each box comes with 3 tests. You can use these midstream, or you could dip them into a cup of urine. The package on the left, it has, as you can see at the bottom, an expiration date of July 31st, 2014. Make sure you keep an eye on the expiration of your pregnancy test. Make sure they're always good. These tests are super easy to read. 2 lines for pregnant and 1 for not pregnant. Here's a closer look of the front and the back of the pregnancy test. As you can see, it has a great grip for your thumb and finger. The package easily opens. You can see right here is where you tear the package, and it, unlike a lot of the other packages out there where I end up having to get scissors to open it, it's so easy. I'm doing it with like 2 fingers. So as you can see, it's tearing. And then you just pull out the test. You have the option to do a midstream or either to dip it. Sometimes I like to dip it. I just find that it's easier. And for me personally, I have, as I am a piano stick addict, I have what I call my pea cup. I recycled the Easter egg cups as my pea cups. Each box comes with an instructional packet, so make sure that you read all the information first, because yes, information varies from pregnancy test to pregnancy test. Now with Fairhaven's test, you can actually leave it in the direct path of your urine stream for 5 to 10 seconds, and they ask that you point it downwards for 2 to 3 seconds afterwards, so that way any excess urine can drip off of it. And then you lay it flat, window up, on a flat surface. Or you have the choice to dip it for 20 seconds, and it needs to be at least 3/4 of the way in the urine. Same thing, when you're done, pull it out, leave it, kind of downwards for about 2 to 3 seconds to let any of the excess drip off. You want to read the results after 1 minute, but please read within 3 minutes, and then right here, it tells you how to read the results. 2 lines positive, 1 line negative, and then you can see over here, bottom right, is invalid. As you're reading the instructional use, if you're wondering what is what, right here you have a detailed picture. You have your contoured thumb grip, test window, control window, sealed splash guard, absorbent tip, and your protective cap. Now it's time to see a live test. So you take the lid, or the cap, you remove it, take your test, and you want to dip it 3/4 of the way in. So it's already going across. I'm gonna go ahead and hang it for 1, 2, 3. Lay it flat, put the lid back on. Only have 1 hand here. There we go. And we will read the results in about a minute. Now, as you can see, the line is moving across. Let me turn the window. On the left is the test result, right is the control. As you can see, it's only been a matter of seconds and there are already 2 lines. And if you remember, 2 lines means